countdown para sa Manny Pacquiao versus Antonio Margarito fight that's happening in Texas, November 13th. Kilala po natin si Freddie Roach na boxing trainer ni Manny Pacquiao. Pero si Manny is not just a boxer now, he's also a congressman, si Honorable Congressman from Sarangani. Do you know kung sino po ang teacher naman ni Congressman Manny Pacquiao sa Congress? We're gonna be meeting him later on in the show. Abangan niyo po yan. Pero bago ang lahat, not too long ago, I'm sure you know, we went to Korea. Sana po ay nakapagtanghalian na kayo dahil kung hindi pa, siguradong gugutumin kayo ng aming ipapalabas ngayong hapon. I hope you brought your appetite along because here we are food tripping in Korea. I'm getting confused now. I don't know. I can't make up my mind. I don't know which one I'm enjoying better here in Korea, shopping or dining. Because look at this. Every meal is a feast. Lunch or dinner, every day we're just having so much fun eating as well. And Sungi is here to talk to us about what some of the dishes are here on our table. Sungi, first of all, how come when we eat Korean, there's a lot of side dishes?
Because that's what we do. We grow up like this, so I don't know exactly why we eat a lot of side dishes like this.
But it's good. Well, everything is good. One thing that's always there is the kimchi. There's two kinds here on our table. Can you tell us first about this one? What is this?
Yeah, as you said, both are kimchi. This is made from cabbage. It's quite spicy, as you can see. We always eat it when we eat rice. Yeah, when we have a meal.
And what about this one?
This is also kimchi, but it's made from
radish.
Yeah, radish.
What is kimchi? For those who don't understand, what is that?
Kimchi, from the old times, our ancestors ate kimchi every day. In winter time, we make kimchi with all families. We gather and we make kimchi, and after that we bury it under the ground. So after that we can eat all the times, like in spring, summer. We don't have to worry about the side dishes at all because we have enough kimchi under the ground. So, yeah.
Is it true that in Korean houses there's two kinds of refrigerators?
Right. Many houses have two kinds of refrigerators. Like there's just regular refrigerator, and the other is only for kimchi. Yeah.
Why is that? Why should there be one refrigerator just for kimchi?
Because, as I said, kimchi is very important to us, and so we can easily keep kimchi in the kimchi refrigerator. I think we can enjoy it more delicious.
We're here at the Korean house, and we are going to have traditional Korean dinner. But what is a traditional Korean dinner? I know that this is traditional because it has a lot of side dishes. Sungi, why do Koreans love side dishes?
Okay, basically, we eat rice as a meal, and there are a lot of side dishes, so we can enjoy them because they are all different tastes. Like some of them are really salty, sweet, or spicy.
And I noticed like maybe 3 dishes here that I know of, and the first 2 are the kimchi.
Oh, yeah, this one?
Yes.
Kimchi, sort of like soup, water, we call it water kimchi. And this one is just a regular, ordinary kimchi, yeah.
Okay. And then I see this, I know this, the noodle.
Yeah, noodle. We call it japchae. We usually make this when we have like a dinner with a big family, or when we have a party or something like that. So yeah.
Meron pong dalawang K ang Korean food. Yung kimchi, una na yon, palagi natin napapag-usapan. Pangalawa naman, dito sa isang Korean traditional restaurant, masusubukan natin Korean beef o kalbi. I hope you brought your appetite. Let's go. Okay, what about this one? What is that?
This is rice, but it's more like sticky. So we eat with samgyetang.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can see the inside the chicken. There is rice as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we're talking about the chicken. Now, this is actually the highlight of our dinner for today because this is a 49-day-old chicken. And what's so special about this dish?
In summer, Korean people eat samgyetang 3 times because in summer we easily exhausted, and when people get energy or something, they eat samgyetang.
Because this one, I hear it has ginseng.
Yeah, inside there's rice, as I said, and ginseng. There's a lot of stuff. Yeah, that make people strong.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is this?
Oh yeah, this is ginseng wine kind of thing. Before we eat samgyetang, we drink it.
For appetizer.
Yeah, appetizer.
All right. Why don't we toast on this?
Okay, we say 건배.
Kanbe.
Yeah.
Okay. Kanbe.
건배. Thank you.